going on, everybody? Thanks for tuning back into another Diesel Anatomy YouTube video. These Saturdays are they're coming by quick, but I'm enjoying it. Anyways, today's video, which I'm not really gonna hide because I probably already put it in the thumbnail. We actually found a 8-inch tip this week, and so kind of threw a loop in the schedule. But we're gonna go ahead and throw that 8-inch tip on, and instead of getting 2 sound comparisons when we throw the 5-inch exhaust on, we're gonna get a total of 3. So that'll really help you guys pick whenever you guys are doing exhaust. And actually, it's pretty much convinced me, instead of going 5 to 7, I'm most likely going to go 5 to 8 because I really like the way it looks, but time will tell, so we'll see. Not going to keep wasting your time. Let's roll right into this video. Stay tuned, guys. I think this is going to be a good Alright, everybody, that's going to go ahead and round up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys are looking forward to now, instead of having just the 2 sound clips, we're going to have the 3, so stay tuned. Other than that, everybody, this truck is about to undergo some major renovations, so stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button because you're not going to want to miss what's going on out there in that garage. It's going to be good. Having that said, thanks you guys for tuning in, and I cannot wait to see you guys next Saturday on the Diesel Anatomy YouTube channel. Peace.